Hello Glam Squad and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi. I'm very, very sleepy, so if I sound a little less excited than normal, that would be why. I babysat last night, and so I was up super early this morning with the baby, and I'm dragging, that's all. So we're gonna do a little gel polish marble. We're gonna start by laying down these colors and marbling them. There you go. Now I'm gonna come in and put down some white on my nail, and full disclosure, this is actually a white that I mixed together, and we're not gonna use it any further after this. I'm just gonna use the regular white because I don't like it. And I really wish I hadn't used it on this nail, but in the end, I don't think it really shows up that much. I'm darkening it a little here because I think I sheared it out too much, and I'm right. And I do notice that it got some on my cuticle. It's because I was trying too hard to make it look the way I wanted it to. And so now we're gonna come in and try again. It's still not gonna look the way I want it to, but I'm sucking it up. And after I clean up my cuticle, I'm gonna come in and just lay down my marble. And we're not gonna fill the whole nail. We're just gonna let it be what it is, right? I don't have a rhyme or reason to this. I just wanted to play with some gel marbling, and this is what I did. Now I want to be fully transparent with you guys about everything on this channel, and I'm going to tell you right now, I really hate these nails so much. Oh, they did not come out the way that I pictured them. They didn't come out the way I pictured them. I'm sorry, I'm struggling for words more than normal right now because, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm really tired. You may hear some frivolity come from downstairs. The family is all playing down there. My niece, my granddaughter, my grandson. So my daughter's niece and her son and my daughter and her husband are all downstairs. And so you may hear the occasional yell, shout, laughter, dog bark, giggle. It could happen. So if you hear that, just know my family's living their best life and being happy. So there it is. Excuse me, I had to clear my throat there. So I'm just finishing up all these marbles. That's the ring finger, and then we're gonna do the pinky. Now there is not footage of the thumb, not because I didn't film anything, but because I was out of frame. So there's that. I got a little too close to my face while I was working. I wasn't thinking, hey, you're videotaping this or recording it. It's not a videotape. Wow, that's showing my age. I wasn't thinking. I was just doing, right? And sometimes you need to think before you do, and I didn't do that. So I'm just finishing up this little marble. I wanted a little extra purple around that, so I picked up a little and drug it around. Now we're gonna come in and throw on some gems, not because I really think they need them, but because I'm still testing out this creation stick-on. And I do want to let you know that the gems that I put on my thumb, a couple of them have already popped off, but that's because of where I put them. That was not a good place to put them. It was too close to the edge, and so I've knocked 2 of them off already. But I don't blame the product on that. I blame my placement. So you'll see what I mean when we get to it. So we're just throwing down a few gems, and I want to tell you, I went through a lot of different ideas of where I wanted the gems to go or how I wanted them to look, and honestly, none of it turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. So I don't think I'm gonna wear these nails for very long. Have you ever done a set where in the end you're just like, I don't even know what I did? Because that's where I'm sitting with these right now. I'm like, what did I even do? How long have I been doing nails? So you guys will have to let me know in the comment section if you feel the same way about them as I do. My daughter said she thinks they're cute, but she might just be being nice to her mom. They're not cute. I don't think they're cute. They're just not sitting with me well. So I'm not gonna wear them very long. Maybe a couple days, we'll see. I kind of want to just take them off right now, but I don't have time for that. I've got other things to do, and I have a set I'm going to do for Wednesday, so I just really don't have time to do it in the next couple days. So there's that. And plus I've kind of neglected my TikTok and Instagram the last few days. I need to get some shorts made. And some people seem to like the shorts that I'm putting up on this channel, depending on what it is. So if you have not seen any of those, go check them out. And if you're new to the channel or you're not new to the channel and you haven't done it yet, please be sure to subscribe. So this is where I put the gems that fell off. There's only 2 on there that are still on there, actually. One up there in the corner, the very pink one, the first one I put on, and then this one over on the side for some reason stayed. So there you go. Okay, sorry, I just got wow, words. Guys, I'm tired. Sorry. I just got a text message. I'm waiting for a package, and the United States Postal Service was just letting me know when it should be here, and it should be in the next few hours. There you go. So now we're just doing our top coat. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm all over the place in this video. I'm so sorry. Thank you for your patience. There you go. Thank you for your patience. So we're just doing our top coat. I'm using a tiny brush to get up close to any of the gems that are floating like those. And then of course, just use the regular brush that comes with the top coat for the larger areas. But trying to get that bigger brush up against these floating gems was a little difficult. So as you can see, I don't try to get too close to them. I'm just smoothing everything out with that. But this set here, right, these right here on this nail, wow, words. If you hear that squealing, that's my granddaughter. She is so adorable. Oh my goodness. But these 2, I'm actually able to get pretty close up with the brush, and I didn't really need to use my tiny brush with those. There we go. Look how cute. The gems, nothing. Actually, that nail doesn't bother me too much. That's one of the ones I'm sort of okay with. So yeah, look how cute. Okay, guys. This is the finished set. I really appreciate y'all spending some time with me today. I know I'm a little, but it's just one of those days, and I didn't want to blow off a video. So thanks so much for watching. We're going to see you next time. Bye-bye.